Here's an update on the building project. So we're now at April 2nd, and progress has been made in the past few weeks, albeit more slowly than I had hoped. But as I previously showed, the walls were completed a ways back, and work had begun on the roof shortly after, and the roof is now fully enclosed. As you can see here, insulation covers all surfaces, and it's quite cool in here, even though it's 80 degrees outside. There's a perception that the interior temperature is much lower, which is expected because you're out of the sun, but I also think there is some benefit to the radiant heat barrier applied to these walls and the ceiling. The next step is to do a few finishing touches on the roof. I have some external ventilators that have to be installed that provide, well, ventilation. And then, of course, we need doors. There's a total of 4 roll-up overhead doors that'll be on the building, 3 on this end, and then 1 on the back end. And after that, a few minor details such as some trim, and the shell itself of the building will be completed. From there, the construction of the interior residence will begin. So like I said, it's now April 4th. I'm anticipating that the interior residence will start before the end of April. Our completion date of July looks to be in doubt at this point. That's something that we'd hoped for, but probably won't be possible given some of the delays we faced due to mostly wind. Wind was the number one factor that slowed this job down. When the wind gusts are up around 15 to 20 miles per hour, which is not unusual here, the metal panels, particularly the roofing panels, which are about 25 feet long each, can become very difficult to handle and dangerous. So anytime the wind's clocked above about 12 to 15 miles per hour, work was suspended. So anyway, that's where we're at, April 2nd, a 98%, let's say, completed building, and anticipating construction of the interior residence to commence within the next few weeks.